The National Electrical Contractors Association, or NECA, is planning to release a compilation of its new standards in one book. The book is expected to be available in early 2024 and will cost around $100. This will be a much more affordable option than purchasing the individual standards, which can cost up to $25 each. In the meantime, individual standards can be accessed for free on NECA's website. NECA standards are developed through a consensus-based process involving subject matter experts, contractors, engineers, and other stakeholders. The development process typically involves several stages. Firstly, identifying the need for a new standard or revision of an existing standard. This can arise from changes in technology, industry practices, or regulatory requirements. Secondly, forming a technical committee or task force comprising experts in the relevant field. This committee is responsible for drafting the standard. Thirdly, conducting research and gathering information to support the development of the standard. This may involve literature reviews, surveys, and laboratory testing. Fourthly, drafting the standard, which includes defining the scope, requirements, and recommendations. Fifthly, circulating the draft standard for public review and comment. This allows stakeholders to provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. Sixthly, reviewing and addressing comments received during the public review period. This may involve revising the standard to incorporate feedback. Seventhly, submitting the revised standard to the NECA Standards Committee for approval. Eighthly, publishing the approved standard and making it available to the public. Finally, periodically reviewing and revising the standard to ensure it remains up to date and relevant. NECA standards cover a wide range of topics related to electrical construction and maintenance, including installation practices, safety requirements, and performance criteria. These standards are widely recognized and used by electrical contractors, engineers, inspectors, and other professionals in the electrical industry. Some examples of NECA standards include NECA 1, Standard for Good Workmanship in Electrical Construction, which provides guidelines for achieving high-quality workmanship in electrical installations. NECA 101, Standard for Installing and Maintaining Electrical Systems, which covers the installation and maintenance of various electrical systems, such as power distribution, lighting, and control systems. NECA 400, Standard for Installing and Maintaining Outside Plant Communication Systems, which addresses the installation and maintenance of communication systems located outside buildings. NECA 414, Recommended Practice for Measuring and Verifying Electrical System Performance, which provides guidance on measuring and verifying the performance of electrical systems to ensure they meet specified requirements. NECA 704, Recommended Practice for Electrical Equipment Maintenance, which offers recommendations for maintaining electrical equipment to prevent failures and extend its service life. NECA standards are often referenced in contract documents, specifications, and codes, and they are used to ensure that electrical work is performed safely, efficiently, and in accordance with industry best practices. By following NECA standards, electrical contractors can improve the quality of their work, reduce the risk of errors and rework, and enhance their reputation. NECA also offers training and certification programs to help electrical professionals stay up to date on the latest standards and technologies. These programs cover a wide range of topics, including electrical safety, installation practices, and project management. NECA's website provides access to a variety of resources, including standards, publications, training materials, and industry news. The website also includes a directory of NECA member contractors, which can be used to find qualified electrical contractors in a specific area. NECA plays a vital role in the electrical industry by developing and promoting standards, providing training and education, and advocating for the interests of its members. By supporting NECA, electrical professionals can contribute to the advancement of the industry and ensure that electrical work is performed to the highest standards. Accessing NECA standards for free on their website can be a valuable resource for electrical professionals. Here's how to find them. Firstly, navigate to the NECA website. Secondly, look for a section labeled Standards or Technical Resources. Thirdly, browse the available standards or use the search function to find specific standards of interest. Fourthly, download the standards in PDF format or view them online. NECA standards are essential for ensuring safety and quality in electrical construction. They provide guidance on proper installation techniques, materials, and equipment. By following NECA standards, electrical contractors can minimize the risk of accidents, electrical fires, and equipment failures. NECA standards also help to improve the efficiency and reliability of electrical systems. They provide recommendations for optimizing system performance, reducing energy consumption, and extending equipment life. In addition to technical standards, NECA also develops business management resources for electrical contractors. These resources cover topics such as project management, financial management, and marketing. NECA's business management resources can help electrical contractors improve their profitability, efficiency, and competitiveness. NECA also provides advocacy services to represent the interests of electrical contractors before government agencies and regulatory bodies. NECA's advocacy efforts help to shape policies that support the electrical industry and promote safe and reliable electrical service. NECA works closely with other industry organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and the International Association of Electrical Inspectors, or IAE, to develop and promote consistent standards and codes. NECA's collaboration with these organizations helps to ensure that electrical work is performed to the highest standards of safety and quality. NECA's commitment to excellence has made it a respected leader in the electrical industry. Its standards, training programs, and advocacy efforts have helped to improve the safety, reliability, and efficiency of electrical systems around the world. Understanding and applying NECA standards is crucial for electrical professionals. Here's why. Firstly, safety. NECA standards provide essential safety guidelines to protect workers and the public from electrical hazards. Secondly, quality. Following NECA standards ensures high-quality workmanship and reliable electrical installations. Thirdly, compliance. NECA standards are often referenced in codes and regulations, so compliance is essential for legal and regulatory purposes. Fourthly, efficiency. NECA standards promote efficient design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems. Fifthly, reliability. Adhering to NECA standards improves the reliability and longevity of electrical systems. Sixthly, risk management. Implementing NECA standards helps to minimize the risk of accidents, fires, and equipment failures. Seventhly, professional development. Staying up to date on NECA standards demonstrates a commitment to professional excellence. Eighthly, industry best practices. NECA standards reflect the latest industry best practices and technological advancements. Ninthly, competitive advantage. Contractors who follow NECA standards can differentiate themselves from competitors and win more business. Tenthly, customer satisfaction. Providing high quality, safe, and reliable electrical services that meet NECA standards leads to increased customer satisfaction. NECA standards are continuously updated to reflect changes in technology, industry practices, and regulatory requirements. It is important for electrical professionals to stay informed about the latest versions of NECA standards and to incorporate them into their work. NECA offers a variety of resources to help electrical professionals stay up to date on NECA standards, including online training courses, workshops, and publications. NECA also provides technical support to answer questions about NECA standards and their application. By taking advantage of these resources, electrical professionals can ensure that they are providing the highest quality electrical services and meeting the latest industry standards. NECA's role in the electrical industry extends beyond standards development and training. NECA also provides a variety of other services to its members, including business development support, marketing resources, and insurance programs. NECA's business development support helps electrical contractors grow their businesses by providing access to market research, sales training, and networking opportunities. NECA's marketing resources help electrical contractors promote their services by providing access to advertising templates, website design tools, and social media guidance. NECA's insurance programs provide electrical contractors with access to affordable and comprehensive insurance coverage. NECA's commitment to its members has made it the leading trade association for electrical contractors in the United States. NECA's members include electrical contractors of all sizes, from small family-owned businesses to large national corporations. NECA's diverse membership allows it to represent the interests of all electrical contractors and to advocate for policies that support the electrical industry as a whole. NECA's influence extends beyond the United States. NECA works with international organizations to promote the adoption of consistent electrical standards and to facilitate the exchange of best practices. NECA's global reach helps to ensure that electrical work is performed to the highest standards of safety and quality around the world. The availability of NECA standards for free online is a valuable resource for electrical professionals. It allows them to access the information they need to perform their work safely and efficiently. By taking advantage of this resource, electrical professionals can contribute to the advancement of the electrical industry and ensure that electrical work is performed to the highest standards. The upcoming compilation book will make accessing all of the NECA standards even easier. Having all of the standards in one place will be a convenient and cost-effective way for electrical professionals to stay up to date on the latest requirements. This compilation will be an invaluable resource for electrical contractors, engineers, inspectors, and other professionals in the electrical industry. It will help them to ensure that their work is performed safely, efficiently, and in accordance with industry best practices. By supporting NECA and its efforts to develop and promote electrical standards, electrical professionals can contribute to the advancement of the industry and help to ensure that electrical work is performed to the highest standards of safety and quality.